5 a.m. Meditate, journal, cold shower, green smoothie, read, workout, review your goals. It's 9 a.m. and you've already won the day. It's also day 2. You'll never do this again. Your morning routine didn't fail because you're lazy. It failed because it was built for a person who doesn't exist. A person with 0 stress, 0 kids, and a sponsor paying them to wake up at 5. You saw it on YouTube, tried it, quit by Thursday. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why, and the 3 things that actually matter. Tip 3 is the one nobody talks about. Here's the trick nobody admits. The people filming those perfect mornings didn't build discipline through their routine. They built the routine because they already had discipline. Copying their morning is like copying a bodybuilder's workout after 2 years on the couch. You'll last 1 session, maybe 2, and most routines pile on 10 new habits at once. Wake earlier, meditate, journal, cold shower, workout, read, no phone, eat clean. That's not a routine. That's a second full-time job. Nobody keeps that up. So here's the rule that actually works. 1 thing, maybe 2, never 10. And it has to pass 1 test. Can you do it on your worst day? Monday, bad sleep, stressed, you don't want to move. Can you still do it? If not, make it smaller. Okay, the 3 things that actually move the needle. 1, delay your phone. Not for an hour, not some monk-level rule. Just don't let it be the first thing you touch. Get up, drink water. Let your brain wake up before the internet screams at it. The second you open your phone, your brain switches to reacting. Other people's messages, other people's posts, other people's problems. Your morning is no longer yours. You're putting out fires that aren't even yours. Even 5 minutes of delay changes the whole tone of your day. Your brain boots up before the world crashes in. 2, move. A little. Not a workout, not the gym. Just move. Stretch for 2 minutes. Walk around the block. 10 push-ups. Anything. Your body was horizontal for 8 hours. It needs a signal that the day has started. That's it. Not fitness. A signal. A study with over 1 million people found that even small amounts of movement cut bad mental health days by over 40%. Not marathons. Walks. And 3, the one nobody does. Do the hard thing first. That email you've been avoiding, that assignment, that conversation, that task. Do it before anything else. Not because you're more disciplined in the morning, you're not, but because your brain hasn't warmed up enough to make excuses yet. At 8 a.m., your brain is still half asleep. By 3 p.m., it has a full PowerPoint on why you should do it tomorrow. Use the window. Start before your brain catches up. Quick list. Stuff you can stop doing. Cold showers. Feel great if your life is already together. Torture if it isn't. Not a starter habit. Journaling. Good habit. Optional. If it feels like homework, skip it. Waking up at 5 a.m. Zero evidence 5 a.m. beats 7 or 8. What matters is the same time every day. That's it. Green smoothies, gratitude lists, mirror affirmations. All optional. Most people try them twice. If it doesn't stick on its own, it's not your habit. If you made it this far, you're not the morning routine crowd. You're the fixing it crowd. Subscribe. There's more of this coming. Here's how you start. Tomorrow. Pick 1 thing. Just 1. Delay your phone. Put it in another room tonight. Done. Move. Shoes next to the bed. Walk when you wake up. Done. Hard thing first. 10 minutes on what you're avoiding. Before any app. Done. Do it for a week. Not perfectly, just more days than not. If it sticks, add the second one. Another week, the third. 3 weeks, 3 habits. No cold showers. No 5 a.m. No smoothies. You'll skip a day. That's fine. You didn't fail. A routine that survives your worst days beats a perfect one that only lives on YouTube. The real morning routine? Wake up. Don't grab your phone. Move. Do the hard thing first. 15 minutes. Boring. Uncinematic. Nobody's going to put dramatic music behind it. And it'll work better than any 2-hour morning routine on this platform. Simple beats impressive. Every single time. So, What's the one thing you're changing tomorrow? Tell me in the comments. Just one. Because yeah, fixing your morning routine is really not that hard.